It uses a light gray wall as the base color, black runs through the entire space, and natural wood frames are used as embellishments, low-key but exuding luxury. This is an arc-shaped shower room, using 6mm tempered glass, and the pattern is printed by silkscreen technology. The shower head is made of brass with strong rust resistance. The shower rod is made of stainless steel paint, which is durable. The cabinet is made of solid oak. There are 2 drawers and a hollow cabinet, and there is a large storage space behind the mirror to meet various storage needs. This is a flush toilet, with a sleek black matte surface, powerful flushing ability and simple design. It has high-quality water fittings with a 5-year warranty. It is equipped with a towel rack. The stainless steel material is waterproof and corrosion resistant. The matte black color matches the style of the bathroom.